Are you ready to discover the 5 best growth stocks to buy right now? These picks could be absolute game changers for your portfolio, and we're going to break down exactly why we think they're poised for massive growth. We're talking about companies at the forefront of artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and some of the most exciting trends in the tech world. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more expert stock picks and investing strategies. We drop new videos every single week to help you build long-term wealth and crush your financial goals. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and isn't financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. First up, we have Nvidia, ticker symbol NVDA. This tech giant has become synonymous with cutting-edge innovation and market leadership. This company is the undisputed leader in AI-powered GPUs. And let me tell you, they are absolutely crushing it. Their GPUs are the backbone of many AI applications, providing the computational power needed for complex tasks. We all know artificial intelligence is exploding right now, and it's only going to get bigger. From healthcare to finance, AI is transforming industries. And Nvidia is at the heart of this revolution. Nvidia's cutting-edge chips are in high demand across a ton of industries. We're talking data centers, gaming, even self-driving cars. Their technology is enabling advancements that were once thought to be science fiction. You name it. If it involves AI, Nvidia is probably involved somehow. Their reach extends into every corner of the tech world, making them an indispensable player in the industry. And the best part? They consistently deliver strong earnings. Their financial performance is a testament to their strategic vision and operational excellence. Quarter after quarter, they beat analysts' expectations and prove why they're a dominant force in AI-driven computing. Their ability to innovate and execute sets them apart from the competition. Just look at their track record. It speaks for itself. Their consistent growth and market performance make them a standout in the tech sector. If you're looking for a company that's not just keeping up with technological innovation, but actually driving it, Nvidia is a stock you absolutely need to consider. They are pioneers, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. This is a long-term play that could pay off big time. Investing in Nvidia means betting on the future of technology and AI, a future that looks incredibly promising. Next on our list is Broadcom, ticker symbol AVGO. Now, Broadcom is a semiconductor giant, and they're playing a critical role in the AI and cloud computing revolution that's happening right now. We're talking about the infrastructure that powers everything we do online. Broadcom's high-performance chips are everywhere. 5G networks, enterprise software solutions, you name it. They're even making moves in the electric vehicle market. This is a company that's not afraid to make strategic acquisitions to expand its reach and dominate new markets. And their revenue growth? Let's just say it's seriously impressive. If you're looking for exposure to the booming semiconductor sector, which we think everyone should have in their portfolio, Broadcom is a company you need to research further. This is a solid long-term play with huge potential. All right, now let's talk about Alphabet, ticker symbol Google, the parent company of Google. Now, we know what you're thinking. Google makes its money from search ads, right? And while that's true, it's only part of the story. Alphabet is so much more than just Google search. They're investing heavily in artificial intelligence, self-driving technology through Waymo, and their cloud computing platform, Google Cloud, is absolutely killing it. Google Cloud is gaining market share like crazy, and AI integration is happening across all of their platforms. This is a company that's constantly innovating and finding new ways to grow. If you're bullish on AI, big tech, and the future of the internet, Alphabet deserves your attention. This is a stock that's been a winner for years, and we don't see that changing anytime soon. Coming up next on our list is Salesforce, ticker symbol CRM, the undisputed king of customer relationship management software. Salesforce has revolutionized the way businesses interact with their customers, providing a comprehensive suite of tools that streamline communication, sales, and service. Now here's why Salesforce is so interesting right now. The company is not just resting on its laurels, it's pushing the envelope by integrating cutting-edge technologies into its platform. Businesses are increasingly relying on AI-driven automation and data analytics to improve their operations and understand their customers better. This trend is only accelerating, and Salesforce is at the forefront of this transformation. Salesforce is right there with them, constantly expanding its product offerings to meet those needs. From AI-powered analytics to automated customer service solutions, Salesforce is innovating at a rapid pace. They're integrating AI into their cloud-based CRM solutions in a way that's really impressive. This integration allows businesses to gain deeper insights and make more informed decisions. Think about it. Every interaction a business has with its customers generates valuable data. Salesforce's AI capabilities help turn this data into actionable insights. Salesforce helps companies collect, analyze, and leverage that data to improve customer relationships and drive sales. This is crucial in today's competitive market where customer experience is key. As digital transformation accelerates and more businesses move their operations online, the demand for robust CRM solutions like those offered by Salesforce is skyrocketing. Salesforce is in a prime position to benefit. The company's ability to adapt and innovate ensures it remains a leader in the CRM space. This is a company with a strong track record of growth and a bright future ahead. Investors and businesses alike are keeping a close eye on Salesforce as it continues to shape the future of customer relationship management. With its innovative approach and commitment to leveraging AI, Salesforce is not just keeping up with the times, it's setting the pace for the entire industry. Finally, we have GitLab, ticker symbol GTLB, a fast-growing company in the DevOps space. GitLab has been making waves with its innovative approach to software development and operations. Their platform is designed to be an all-in-one solution for developers and IT professionals alike. Now, if you're not familiar with DevOps, it stands for Development and Operations, and it's basically a set of practices that combines software development and IT operations to shorten the software development lifecycle. This means faster development, more reliable releases, and better collaboration between teams. DevOps is becoming increasingly important as the demand for rapid software delivery grows. GitLab provides a comprehensive platform that streamlines the entire process: coding, security, deployment, you name it. Their tools are designed to integrate seamlessly, making it easier for teams to work together and ensure that software is both secure and high quality. This end-to-end solution is what sets GitLab apart from many of its competitors. And as more businesses move to cloud-based software development, GitLab is becoming an essential tool. The shift to the cloud allows for greater scalability, flexibility, and cost savings. And GitLab's platform is perfectly positioned to take advantage of these trends. Companies are increasingly looking for solutions that can support their cloud initiatives, and GitLab fits the bill. What we really like about GitLab is their focus on open source software. Open source projects encourage collaboration and innovation, and GitLab has built a strong community around this philosophy. This not only helps improve their platform, but also fosters a sense of community and shared purpose among developers. With its rising adoption among developers and enterprises, GitLab has significant upside potential in the ever-growing tech sector. The company's ability to attract both individual developers and large organizations speaks to the versatility and robustness of their platform. As the tech industry continues to expand, GitLab is well-positioned to grow alongside it. This is a company that's still in its early stages of growth, but they're definitely one to watch. Their innovative approach, strong community, and comprehensive platform make them a standout in the DevOps space. As they continue to evolve and expand, GitLab has the potential to become a major player in the software development industry. And there you have it, the 5 best growth stocks to buy right now. These companies are at the forefront of their respective industries, and we believe they have the potential to deliver incredible returns for investors. Which of these stocks do you think has the most potential? Let us know in the comments below. We're always interested to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out one of the 2 videos on your screen right now for more expert stock picks and investing strategies. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. See you in the next one.